guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and if you're new here, make sure you click the red subscribe button to give the video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, I will be reviewing this iUNIK Black Snail Restore Serum. So I did not purchase it. This is my first time that I'm going to be using it. It's already here. My sister actually gave it to me because she felt like it was not working for her. But I might as well give it a shot on me because maybe she was not using this correctly. So this says powerful skin restore, nourishing and lifting, brightening and wrinkle care. This is 1.71 fluid ounces, and this is all in Japanese or Chinese. I'm not sure what it is. She got this from Amazon, and the directions are in English, and they say using the dropper gently add an appropriate amount onto the face and let it absorb. Made in Korea. This is formulated with 70% snail extract, black rice, bean, sesame, and eggplant. A moisturizing serum has zero irritating stuff and alcohol in the formula. So the product retails for $16.99 on Amazon, and it's Amazon's choice. This is a deep, nourishing, moisturizing serum. So my skin is like a normal to oily skin, and this says, does it though? This says it contains 70% of black snail extract instead of purified water to nourish the skin. Contains 5 black superfoods that reduce signs of aging, which we all want. Incorporate Centella asiatica to fade acne scars and fade hyperpigmentation. I don't have acne scars or something. I do have a few here because I usually get breakouts all the time whenever I'm on my period. So I get breakouts and then it leaves like the hyperpigmentation and everything. And this says it also contains powerful antioxidants that keep your skin young and healthy. And it's cruelty free, vegan friendly, paraben sulfate free, and no artificial fragrance. Snail filtrate contains hyaluronic acid, glycoprotein, proteoglycans, and copper peptides, all which fight signs of premature aging, which is good. Hyaluronic acid is a very moisturizing ingredient. As you guys know, I have the hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. I use that on my spots. Sometimes here it gets like dry, so I put hyaluronic acid there. The 5 black superfruit says that it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits that turn back the time. That turn back the time on the clock for a healthy, glowing skin. Okay. And the Centella asiatica leaf has skin soothing and healing ingredient that is well known for its skin benefits. So let's take a look at the reviews. I see 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars. All the pictures that I see are 5 stars. And somebody said from June 28, didn't notice a difference. And then I see more 5 stars, more 5 stars. I'm searching for the bad stars. Somebody said, I'm sad because I got this serum because a YouTuber named Hiram I love Hiram. A YouTuber named Hiram recommended it for its anti-aging benefits, but I honestly haven't noticed anything changes to my skin. I think this is a product that you should use on a long term, like months and months. Somebody said this product doesn't do anything, leaves a sticky sheen on the skin. I mostly see like 70% are 5-star ratings, 14% are 4-star ratings, and 6% is 3-star ratings. We're gonna test this out. I mean, this actually does look very slimy. I have The Ordinary hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. Those do have a slimy consistency, but not as slimy as this one. So I gotta be careful. I'm not sure how much I should add. Let me show you guys the consistency. So I placed it here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's kind of slimy. I'm just gonna put it on my arm, my palm, rub it in, It's definitely not that sticky or something you barely feel like something's on your hand. It does leave a light shining layer, which is not good for us oily people. I would definitely say to put this at night instead of like in the morning, because when you're going out, you don't want all that shine on your face, especially when you're wearing makeup. But it does work in nicely to the skin. When you work it in more, it kind of disappears. Okay, it doesn't disappear that much, but I would say you can wear this in the morning, but make sure you're working it in very good. It does have a very light sheen. Smells a little bit like snail. Yeah, smells a little bit like snail. And I'm gonna put a half a dropper on my palm and then work it in. My face is already cleansed. Not really getting the moisturizing benefits of it. So as you guys see, this is I put it on my neck too. And for nighttime, I would definitely wear this. I'm gonna use my moisturizer and see how well it works together. And I'm gonna use this. Don't forget the neck. This is now with the moisturizer on it. My skin looks amazing. So yeah, this is my review of the Black Snail Restore Serum. I will find a way to incorporate this into my skincare routine because I am using a few products. So yeah, please let me know down below if you have ever tried Korean skincare products, or specifically this one. This is my first ever Korean skincare product. I'm gonna see how well this holds up, if I see any anti-aging benefits popping up or something, my time changing, clock rewinding. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, it's free, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!